Hey Jesse, would you like to help us with our project?
Sure. Haha, hope that helps.
Hey, that was our only project in the fairs today.
Huh? Sorry, not sorry.
I hate you, Jesse.
Wow, she's a joke.
And a loser. Nobody likes her. What is that?
Sounds like a fire alarm. Whoa! What's a tomato doing in the hallway?
What are you looking at?
Did that tomato just talk?
What's it to ya?
Run!
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. That tomato is creepy.
The tomato? What about the giant chicken?
Guys, stop fighting. I can fix this.
Yeah, White, you never help anybody.
You can't do anything, loser.
Jesse, come back. We were just joking.
I wasn't joking.
Who cares? She's just a loser anyways.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, Jesse.
Yeah, what's the matter, Jesse? Ho, ho, ho.
I made it. I just do this quick. Back to normal.
Jesse, you're okay.
Of course I'm okay. And the crisis is over.
Yeah. Sorry we doubted you.
Shit, yeah, we were just kidding.
I still wasn't kidding.